Hello everyone, it's Brian from Home Painters, and we're doing a great project for you today. It's a wallpaper hanging a wall in a bedroom. And in this particular case, we're doing an accent wall, so it's just one wall of the wallpapering. And the great thing about this is back in the 70s and 80s, people would normally do the whole room, and the decorators over time found it was a little heavy and a little much. So now they're trying to get the best of both worlds, and they're just doing accent walls for wallpapering. The first thing we do when preparing for this job is we make sure that the wall is prepared well. So in other words, there's no major bumps or any plaster issues. We plaster that out and sand that out beforehand.
Then you would glue your paper. You put your paper for 3 minutes. After the 3 minutes, it should be adhesive.
So the second step we do is the sizing, and basically what that is preparing the wall by rolling on an adhesive primer, which allows the sheets of wallpaper to adhere to it much better, especially when if there's any moisture, and it also allows us to move the paper easier as well when we go to apply it with the glue. Third step we do is we prepare the table. So when we put the paper up, we can actually put the glue on it, and it goes on much easier. So as you can see, Mark's doing a great job of applying the glue, and then as he applies it, he puts it right up on the wall within 2 to 3 minutes before it dries, of course.
I started from the door frame to my right because the door frame's straight, so I used that for a straight edge.
As you can see from the before and after pictures, it's pretty amazing, and the client was extremely happy with things. They gave us a 10 out of 10 on HomeStars. You know, we did a great job of making sure the client was happy, and they picked actually an amazing finish as well. So I was really happy with the appearance as well, as you can see from the before and after pictures. So if you like what you see, we can definitely do this for you also. And thanks so much for watching.